Wow, you guys had too much sugar today.
I didn't even have any sugar.
Yeah, you did. You had candy. Mm-hmm. Cookie is sugar, Missy.
I got this.
You're gonna fall on your butt and knock all your teeth out.
Rainbow.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Dizzy yet?
No.
What about now?
No.
You sure?
No.
Positive?
No.
Hmm.
I'll take a picture of her.
No.
The lava just doesn't look like it's gushing. Candy.
You're slowing down there, bud. You dizzy.
I'm faster.
You're gonna fall.